Learn Concrete Estimating, Lesson 2, Calculating Weight of Rebar. Part 1, Rebar Properties. As per Concrete Reinforcing Steel Institute, given rebar sizes are number 3 to number 11 for common structures. On this table, all we need to remember is the diameter of number 8 rebar. Number 8 rebar is 1 inch diameter. Diameter for other rebar sizes are fractions of number 8 rebar, such as size of number 5 rebar is 5/8 inch, size of number 3 rebar is 3/8 inch. Just divide rebar size to 8. As you can imagine, number 3 is the lightest size and number 11 is the heaviest size. As per CRSI, Concrete Reinforcing Steel Institute, each rebar size has its own standard unit weight. In this table, you can find unit weights for all rebar sizes. Unit weight is weight of 1 foot rebar. How many pounds is the weight of a 20-foot long number 8 size rebar? Since we know the weight of 1 foot of number 8 rebar is 2.67 pounds, we can figure the weight of 20 feet length. 20 feet times 2.67 pounds equals 53.4 pounds. The same way, we can figure the weight of a 30-foot long number 5 size rebar. Weight of 1 foot number 5 rebar is 1.043 pounds, so 30 times 1.043 equals 31.29 pounds. Rebar may have different shapes, L shape, Z shape, or any other shape. We just need to find out total length. In this case, total length is 11 feet, so 11 times the unit weight of number 5 is 1.043 pounds equals 11.47 pounds. Rebar mills can produce up to 60-foot long rebar. U.S. rebar suppliers sell rebar with 20-foot, 30-foot, 40-foot, and 60-foot length. On estimating purpose, we will use 20-foot long rebar for residential and small-size jobs and 30-foot long rebar for mid and large-size jobs. In this example, we will use 30-foot stock length. That means we are buying rebar in 30-foot long pieces. Let's say we need to estimate rebar for an 80-foot long wall footing. We will need approximately 80 feet of rebar, but we only have 30-foot long pieces. So we will have to add 30-foot pieces together to make 80 feet. But we cannot add 30-foot pieces tip to tip. As per ACI, American Concrete Institute, we have to overlap rebars to keep structural stability. We need to overlap rebar. To be able to figure out lap value, we need to know 3 things: PSI of concrete, class of the concrete, and condition of the rebar. In the next lesson, we will cover lap splices and standard hooks.